Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to make easy stir-fried dried tofu with tauchu paste. Hope you like it. The fresh and rich bean paste is very appetizing when fried with tofu. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Ingredients: dried tofu, chili, tauchu paste. Cut dried tofu into small pieces. Cut chilies into small pieces. Fry dried tofu until golden brown. Dried tofu set aside. Stir-fried chilies. Add tauchu paste. Add a little water. If you have used up all the ingredients like me, just pour in some water and mix it so that it won't be wasted. Add dried tofu. Because the bean paste is already salty, you can add a teaspoon of sugar to balance the taste so it won't be too salty. Stir fry for approximately 1 minute. Plate tofu. Let's eat. This tofu looks so appetizing, right? The taste of this dish is sweet, salty, and a little spicy. The sauce is thick and glutinous and contains whole bean paste. It is more complete than soybean paste, so when you taste the bean paste alone, you can taste some full-grained beans. Tauchu is a very good condiment. It can make our food more delicious. Eating it regularly can delay arteriosclerosis and lower cholesterol. At the same time, can promote intestinal peristalsis, increase appetite, and has the effects of invigorating qi and strengthening the spleen, replenishing qi, digesting food and removing greasiness, and removing dampness and swelling. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist, yeah. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. I found some information about ingredient of this recipe on the internet and I'd like to share it with you. Soybean paste is a fermented food, usually made from ground soybeans, that is native to East and Southeast Asia. Which type of tofu is the healthiest? In fact, flat tofu, tender tofu, and egg tofu are your best choices. They are low in calories, high in protein, nutritious and filling. What foods can't be eaten with tofu? Tofu can't be eaten with foods high in oxalic acid because tofu is high in calcium. Calcium and oxalic acid can form insoluble or insoluble calcium oxalate, which affects calcium absorption. For example, spinach, bamboo shoots, amaranth, etc. contain high oxalic acid, but if the cooking method is changed, it is still okay. For example, if spinach, bamboo shoots, and other foods high in oxalic acid are boiled in water first, most of the oxalic acid can be removed and its impact can be reduced. It is best not to cook tofu with spinach. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? There are more delicious, easy recipes in my channel. Do check them all. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.